Hello, good day everybody. Today we are on site at a fantastic location within the city of Dubai for this particular edition of Terrific Tuesday, Omar Click Talks. I have two wonderful guests with me. On my right is Mr. Jawad, who is a very old and seasoned player in the market, and next to me is our beautiful colleague, Ms. Dana, who is extremely proactive. The idea was basically to give you a quick introduction on what is happening in Dubai on the ground. Before I get into the details, Jawad, why don't you tell us something about yourself and Dubai in particular?
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me here. My name is Jawad, and I'm the Assistant Vice President Sale for a project called Shobha Heartland in Dubai. Before we get into the details, let me give you a little brief background about Dubai. Dubai has recently emerged as one of the key players in international economies. Currently, we reside more than 174 nationalities to which Dubai is catering.
Right.
And one of the very salient features of Dubai is that it's a tax-free country. There is no income tax, there is no capital tax, and there is no wealth tax here. Dubai, we have also recently seen that Dubai has emerged as one of the key players in the COVID-19 pandemic, where Dubai is one of the few countries who has tested the highest population test as per the total
highest density per test.
Yes, absolutely. And it has been declared a safe country to travel recently as well.
Correct.
Dubai basic phenomena is the tourism. Dubai has lots of tourism activities across its region, and recently we have seen that people across the globe are visiting more and more Dubai. Apart from the tourism, real estate is one of the backbones industry in Dubai sector as well.
Correct.
Before I get into the details of my project, we can talk about a little more about Dubai. Is that when it comes to tourism or real estate, apart from that, Dubai offers a huge infrastructure facilities as well. When it comes to roads, when it comes to schooling, when it comes to healthcare. So these are the few fundamentals which make this city a very strong city across all the Emirates and in the world as well.
See, these fundamentals essentially are what we have been seeing grow in front of our eyes. And I do completely agree with you that based on these strong principles and process flows in place, we are still seeing a growing demand of investors coming into the city from all over the country. Now, coming back quickly to the particular developer that we want to discuss about today. Shobha, or Shobha Heartland as we say it, tell us something about that.
Thank you so much for giving me the chance again. The Shobha brand itself started almost 4 decades ago.
Right.
Our chairman is Mr. PNC Menon, who is by descent an Indian, and he holds an Omani passport, which is one of the strongest passport in the Gulf. We initially started as a contracting company, and we have made many historical construction across the world and specifically in Gulf. The Blue Mosque of Oman, Antara Resort, and Kempinski Hotel and Mall of Emirates is one of the few. Then we went back to India, where we started delivering our products, and as of today we are the largest and the most prominent brand in India. Mind you that in India you have 12,000 developers, and out of that we are the number one. Then we came back to Dubai, and in 2015 we started Shobha Heartland as our signature product. Shobha Heartland is a combination of mixed apartments and villas. We can safely say that it's a city within a city. Because the whole fundamental of Shobha is just to give a lifestyle. We just didn't want to have a jungle of concrete. So we have apartments, we have ready schools, we have ready villas, and then around our community, the area itself is called Muhammad bin Rashid City Al Maktoum, which is the ruler's father's name. So these are the features which makes this community much more appealing to the people who wants to have a good lifestyle just next to downtown. Because we are just merely 3 kilometers from downtown, which is the iconic landmark for in Dubai and across the world. Everybody knows about Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. And we have lots of development coming within MBR city. There is a Maidan Mall coming, which will going to be the largest mall within UAE. There is Dubai Canal is coming, which is a water feature. So Shobha Heartland will be like an island within an island.
It's going to be turning into an iconic project, and like one thing which we have discussed on is the greenery which is being cultivated.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Thank you so much for bringing that point. Usually we have observed that it's a desert,
Yeah.
and people love the green element. If you observe the area of Downtown and Business Bay, which everybody is much more familiar with this area who has visited, you will not find the green patches as much because those areas are more of a tourist attraction has become. So we made a point to make sure that we give a community in which there is almost 30 to 40% landscape.
Okay.
There are, once the community takes shape into final, we'll have around 7 to 8,000 trees. So it is safely to say that it will be like a forest concept next to the city. And we do everything in-house. Even the horticulture department is within the Shobha.
All right. Okay.
So yeah, that is one of the unique elements that Shobha does everything in-house, from designing till handing over and maintaining. Everything is done in-house. So which makes our quality much more better rather than there is no comparison because people who have bought here and who has seen our villas, they unanimously say that we have our quality is far apart than compared to any other competitors in the market because we control quality at every step.
Talking about quality, one thing I wanted to pick up and obviously inform you all, this is one of the first episode for this particular series with Shobha. So if you do like what we are presenting forward to you, do subscribe, hit on the like button, and we will be keeping you posted on a lot more attractive and interesting investment scenarios coming in from Dubai and in particular with this particular developer. Now before we stick to one particular person, I'll come over to the beautiful lady on my left. Dana, you've been with Dubai and I guess Shobha for a long time. Why don't you tell us about that first?
Thank you for giving me opportunity also as well. So first of all, I would like to say we are the closest green gated community to downtown.
Okay.
We are within 3 kilometer reach from downtown, as Mr. Jawad has mentioned. And to say about our community that 30% of our land we dedicate to greenery. Open spaces, green spaces, parks. We have forests as well within our community. So we dedicate 30% to the greenery. We plant around 7,000 trees in our community, which makes it really special from anything else in Dubai.
This is the reason why we're calling it a
Yes.
green oasis within Dubai.
Absolutely.
Is this your USP? Is this thing that you like most of the time when you're talking to a lot of clients and they're coming and inquiring, or is it something apart from this that you're also looking at?
Well, that is one of the biggest reasons why they come to us, because they look for community.
Okay.
And they want to stay next to downtown. So we are the closest community within downtown reach.
That is correct.
Now, our community has 2 international schools, very famous schools. First one is North London Collegiate School, which has a great legacy of 180 years. It's a very famous school. Along with that, we have Heartland International School.
And both of these schools are operational.
Operational and working since 3 years.
All right.
So, if you are a resident, let's say in an apartment or a villa, or you're living in our community, it is within your reach. So you might not need even to get a car. You can walk to our school.
That's absolutely fantastic.
That makes it special.
Now, the layout that you just mentioned, we will be unveiling those details in the second episode. The idea was today just to give you a quick introduction of these 2 wonderful colleagues of mine who are extremely strong asset, extremely well versed in terms of helping out people who are first home buyers, people who are institutional investors and who want to get a placement within the city of Dubai with a particular brand which will obviously give them the benefits short term to long term and so on. Now coming back what I was discussing with you, the villa communities or the townhouse communities, which is the one that you particularly see is being looked at the most by people who are inquiring, in your experience?
Well, our villas starts from 4 bedrooms, right?
Okay.
We have 4, 5, and 6. 6, it's a luxury mansion on the canal. So to be honest, we have many families coming asking for different products. Mostly it's maybe 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms we have as well.
Okay.
But our canal villas are very famous. So it's 6-bedroom luxury mansion just on the Dubai Canal. Wonderful. We have 1.8 kilometer boardwalk as well.
Seeing is believing. That's the reason why I'm asking you. Stick around for the second and the third and the subsequent episodes coming up. We will be giving you a live tour of these particular properties very soon so that you can actually see the reality on ground and hopefully make best use of the opportunity that is available to you all today. All right, as this is obviously a Clip Talk show which is about real estate and property, and as unfortunately it has become a cliched statement, but still, in my opinion, it's a very, very important segment when we look at real estate, that is location. So we'll ask the person on ground, basically. Dana, what do you say about the location of this particular project?
Well, Sobha Heartland is perfectly located just in the middle of the city, in the center, within 5 minutes reach to downtown and 10-15 minutes reach to Dubai International Airport.
Okay.
This is why we call our project Sobha Heartland.
Now, along with this particular location, what are the views that most of the residents or investors can look at that they can obtain when they make an investment here?
Perfect. So in our project, our resident can have selection of different views, which is the most beautiful thing here. So you can have canal view, you can have Russell Core view, you can have downtown skyline view, and as well you can have community views such as park, forest view, so that.
So Russell Core is the wildlife sanctuary.
Exactly.
And then the downtown is the Burj Khalifa view, which obviously a lot of people are going to enjoy not only on the new year, but probably also throughout the year with all the light shows that come up. And which is the third one that you were specifying?
Dubai Canal. So we have 1.8 kilometer broad walk and canal along our community. This is why our community as well is called waterfront community.
Correct. Okay.
So you can get a view on the canal as well from our apartments.
So basically you are catering to every imaginable client wishes.
Exactly, yes. And then if the client wants to enjoy view on the greenery, we have that view as well, where he can see parks and forests just from his window.
This is one thing I would like to reiterate again. This is what we have been saying. It is a green oasis within the city of Dubai, which is essentially a desert. It is worth seeing to believe it. That is what we will be showcasing to you in the upcoming episodes. So do keep in touch. Like I said, if you are interested, do hit the subscribe button or the like button, and we'll make sure we'll get all the updated real information across to you so you can make the best choice for yourself and for your family. Thank you one more time for being with us online today. Hopefully this was a session which proved to be fruitful, and we will keep you posted again. Till next time, take good care. Bye-bye.